Now when we're working with tables, copy and paste has a few features that come in handy. Let's look at copy and paste with tables in Pages. Let's go to Pages, and we're working on our event table here, and we have a list of events in our first column here, our column header. I would like to copy these and paste them into my second table here. But if we look, we only have 5 rows here. If we go back over to our page 2, we have a total of 12 rows. But watch what happens when I copy this. I'm going to go and copy my event list here. To copy it, I can hit Command-C, Command key being on my keyboard, or I can go up to the menu bar and we go to Edit, and I can copy it. Now we can also go and cut it, but I want to leave it in this table, so we're just going to copy it. So I copy. And now let's go over to our second table. And I'm going to go and place my cursor in our first row here. And watch what happens when I paste. To paste, I can go up to the Edit in the menu bar. And we go to Paste, or I can go Command-V. So I'm just going to type in Command-V. You can see it added rows, and now I have a total of 12 rows. Let's go and see how this works with columns. Right now we have May 9. Let's go back over to our page 2, and here we can see we're up to May 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these columns here. Command-C, and now let's go back over to our table, put it in our first column here, and I'm going to paste. And now we're up to May 11. So when we're copying information from one table to another and we don't have enough rows or columns, Pages will automatically add the correct amount of rows and columns. I'm going to move this up a little bit. And now let's look at our formulas. We're going to go down to our formula here, and if I double click, I get to see the formula. We're just going to go and delete this. So I'm just going to hit delete here and hit the green check mark. So now we have nothing in that cell. Let's go back over to our original table. We're going to go to May 9, and we're going to go down to the bottom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. To copy it, I select it, and I can go up to the menu bar and select Edit, or I can hit Command-C. So let's Command-C to copy it. And let's go back over to our page 3. Now we have a couple options when we paste. If I go and select our cell here and then paste, what it's going to do is it's going to paste that formula. So let's hit Command-V to paste. And we have our formula. If I double click on this, there's our formula. But we have another option with paste. I'm going to delete all this. Hit the green check mark. I can also paste the result. If we go up to Edit, you're going to see Paste Formula Results. What this is going to do is it's going to paste the actual result, not the formula. Let's go ahead and paste it. And now you can see it says 5. Why does it say 5? If we go back over to our original table and we look at May 9, what is the result? 5. Let's go back over to our new table, and if I double click on this cell, remember we had a formula in there. Double click, it's just a number. So if we're using copy and paste in a table and you copy a formula, we can either paste that formula or we can paste the result of that formula. So those are the different copy and paste options we have with tables in Pages.